I get this question all the time. Devin, what makes a niche easier to turn into decision tree videos instead of generic advice videos? Simple rule. The niche needs repeatable choices, clear inputs, and different right answers depending on the viewer's situation. Here's the filter. First, recurring forks. Can you make a lot of videos that start with, if this is true, do A, if not, do B? Things like budget, timeline, skill level, platform, team size, risk tolerance. If those forks show up constantly, the niche is strong. Second, observable inputs. The viewer should be able to identify their starting point fast. If the niche depends on vague self-reflection or abstract motivation, it's harder to branch cleanly. Third, meaningful outcomes. Each branch needs to change the recommendation. If every path ends with basically the same advice, that's not a decision tree. That's just generic content dressed up. Fourth, stable logic. The branching rules should stay useful for a while. If the niche changes every week because it's trend-driven, your trees go stale too fast. Good fits are niches like software selection, camera setups, pricing models, ad strategy, or content workflows. Weak fits are broad be better niches where the inputs and outputs are too fuzzy. Quick test. Write one viewer question, give it 3 branches, and make sure each branch ends in a different action. If that comes naturally, the niche probably fits. If you keep saying it depends but can't name what it depends on, it probably doesn't. And if you're building a lot of these, Satura is useful for storing the branch logic so one question can turn into multiple videos cleanly.